Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to get Granny Recaptured on PC. Before we start, I want to make something clear. Granny Recaptured is not an official game. It is a fan-based game. It is not originally part of the Granny series. This means it is made by fans and not by the original developers. Because of that, you need to be careful where you download it from. To get Granny Recaptured, open a web browser in the search bar. Type in Granny Recaptured Game Jolt by Buttery Stancakes. This should lead you to the correct page. Game Jolt is a safe source for downloading fan-made games. The version you download is not cracked. This means it is safe to play and will not harm your computer. Once you are on the Game Jolt page, look for the download button. Click on it. Your download will start. Once the download is complete, you will need to install the game. Double-click on the downloaded file to start the installation process. Follow the instructions on the screen. After that, click Next until the installation is finished. Once the installation is complete, you can launch and play the game. Thanks for watching.